Hello everyone, I am Ajit Garad, the Customer Experience Manager at the Agni Solar System Private Limited. Today I am excited to introduce you the solar power system which we have installed at the iconic Poona Club. Totally we have installed 568 kWp solar power system. This is a actually unique structure which we have designed considering the aesthetic looks and which is very good for these bifacial panels, which will increase the efficiency and generation of the solar power system as compared to a traditional power system. So totally this systems generates around 7.83 lakhs of units clean energy annually, which in turn approximately save around 1.31 crores rupees annually. Environmentally, it reduces the CO2 emission by around 640 tons annually, which is equivalent to planting 2.73 lakhs of trees over 25 years.